everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I post troubleshooting videos and useful tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to discuss a few ways using which you can try fixing the Instagram login issue. So there can be different reasons due to which you might not be allowed to log into your Instagram account. And I have come up with some solutions that you can try to get back to your Instagram account. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. First things first, you need to check if your internet is working fine, and if it is not, you can just turn it off for a while and then turn it on again so that if it is a network related issue, it will get resolved. Or you can also try restarting your mobile device. Apart from that, you can try using other apps on your mobile device to know if they are working fine or not. So this way you can decide if this is a network related issue or not. Now after that, you must check if Instagram is down or is not performing at its best. So for that, you can visit this website, downdetector.com. And here you need to search for Instagram. Now here you will be able to see if all other users are also facing issues with Instagram or it is just you. So if you notice that Instagram is facing an outage, then you can only wait till the issue gets resolved. The next thing you need to ensure is if you are entering the correct username and password. If you do not remember your Instagram username, you can simply enter the email address that is linked to your Instagram account. But make sure you remember the correct password, or if you have forgotten the password, you can simply reset it by using this button right here, forgotten your password, and I have already made a video on that, so I will put the link in the description box below and make sure you check that out. Now if you are sure that you are entering the correct password but still are not able to get through the login page, you should reset the Instagram app, as a lot of cache data gets stored in the app that needs to be cleared from time to time. So here is how you can do that. To reset the Instagram app, you have to go to the settings section of your mobile device, and then you have to go to the apps section. From here you have to look for the Instagram app. Now here you will see the storage option, simply press that, and here you simply have to tap clear data to clear all the cache data, and this will reset the Instagram app. Now after resetting the app, you can simply try to log in again and see if it fixes the issue or not. Now it is possible that the Instagram app is going through some issues and that's why you are not allowed to log in. So to ensure this, you can open a browser and then you can try to log in by simply entering your username and password, and if you are able to do so, there might be a glitch with the Instagram app. And that's why my next tip would be to ensure that you are using the updated version of the Instagram app, as not updating the app for long can make it go crazy and you may find it difficult to log in. So what you have to do is you have to go to the Play Store or Apple Store depending on the device you are using. So here I'm going to go to the Play Store, and then you simply have to search for the Instagram app. Now if you see an update is available, you can download it on your device and then you can try to log in again. So that's how you can fix this issue as well. Now sometimes you may face this error when you are able to log in, but the feed is not loading. So this can happen due to an internal glitch, and in that case you have to log into Instagram using your username, and this will fix the error. So that's how the error looks like. Couldn't refresh feed, and it will log me out of the Instagram app. So that's the error, and to fix this you need to use your Instagram username. Apart from that, if you are facing any other issues with Instagram, I will put the links of other Instagram videos in the description box below. You can check that out from there, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more information and useful videos. And for now, I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.